Well, hello there, and good evening, everybody. Hello, YouTube. I'm William Brantley, live from Bemis, Tennessee, ready to share with you tonight's or today's or weather summary and give you a forecast for the next few days momentarily. It turned out to be a beautiful day today here in Jackson and West Tennessee on Tuesday, December 11th, 2018. We had clear skies most of the day, and that's going to continue to around midnight when it starts clouding up again, and it'll be probably a cloudy day tomorrow, but we'll just have to deal with it. At least the temperatures will be reasonable tomorrow, though. Alrighty, as of 5 p.m., the skies were clear here in Jackson, Tennessee area. The temperature was 45 degrees at that time. The dew point was 28 degrees. The humidity was at 51%. We had south winds at 6 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was 30.23 inches of mercury as of 5 p.m. Low temperature today, got on down there, 17 degrees this morning. I believe we had a pretty good sized frost this morning. Some people thought it snowed. Sometimes the frost can get deep enough to it looks like it anyways. But it melted pretty quick after the sun came up, of course. 53 degrees was today's high. Making sure I'm looking at that right. Yeah, 53. Yay! Got up into the 50s today. Hallelujah! Got out of the 40s for highs. 0. Had no rainfall, of course, since midnight. Lowest humidity was 43%. And that occurred at 3 and 4 p.m. Highest was 96% at 2 and 8 a.m. Dew point lowest was 15 degrees at 5 and 7 a.m. While the warmest was highest would be 29 degrees, and that was at 10 a.m. Lowest barometric pressure was 30.23 as of 5 p.m. and the highest would be 30.38 inches, and that occurred at 9 a.m. this morning. By the way, today's coldest wind chill was 11 degrees, and that occurred at 5 a.m. And our highest wind gust was 16 miles per hour out of the southwest at 12:54 p.m. The records for today, December the 11th, hottest high would be 76 degrees, and that occurred in 1996 and 2015. Coldest high would be 29 degrees in 1957. Warmest low would be 64 degrees in 1996. Yeah, it was a warm day today back in 1996. And the coldest low would be 6 degrees in 1962. And rainfall record, we had a lot of rain today. Back in 1999, we had 3.79 inches rainfall here in Bemis in 1999. Almost 4 inches there. Snowfall record, we did get 1 inch of snow here in Bemis back in 1972. 1 inch is the snowfall record. Alrighty, that's basically it for the climate data. I'll run through a few maps for you tonight, and that'll be it, I guess. Alrighty, go ahead and look at the surface map. I've already got it pulled up. I'll go ahead and show it to you. National Weather Service's surface map. As of not long ago, I'll see if I can bring it down to see what time it was. As of about 5 p.m. Jackson time, Central Standard Time. I'll get it out in a second. Low pressure down, high pressure weather down south of us in Mississippi, Alabama. There's a cold fronts up north of us in the Great Lakes area. The cold front stretching down will be giving us the rain by, I believe, a Thursday night. And there's the other systems out west that you can see, and the areas where it's snowing and parts of the country. Not a widespread area, though. Not like Virginia and North Carolina got last couple of days. One place up in Virginia had at least 2.5 inches of snow up there. Probably in the mountains of the Appalachian Mountains of Virginia is where that probably took place. I don't remember the exact name of it, though, unfortunately. But anyways, there's the whole map at one site there. And take your pick of what part of the country you're wondering what's going on. And they'll give you an idea right there. Let me move on to the satellite. The radar. The national view. According to Intellicast. Thank you, Intellicast. Most of the country is precipitation free today and this evening. That's good news. It's mainly gone off of the Carolina coast now, Virginia coast, and Tennessee, of course. It's clear here, precipitation rise. What precipitation is going on is up there in the New York and New England area. Little snow going on up there. Some going on up in the northern plains states of northern Minnesota and the Dakotas. A little bit there in South Dakota and on up into Canada. And some more precipitation in the Pacific Northwest, where it's snowing in the mountains of Idaho and raining in Washington and Oregon, in that part of the country. Otherwise, it's pretty clear nationwide, like I mentioned, of precipitation, that is. Well, alrighty, let's look at the satellite picture. It looks pretty good, too, at the moment. Clear skies here in West Tennessee. The clouds will probably start moving in around or just after midnight here in Jackson and most of West Tennessee. Otherwise, it's clear to our east, as you can see. But there are some clouds moving in from the west, from Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, from the plain states. And those are going to be our clouds tomorrow. There are some breaks in them, so we might even get a little sunshine tomorrow. Very cloudy almost might be a better term than just mostly cloudy. So we might get a little bit of sunshine tomorrow, but not all that much. But you see where they're coming from. It does indeed happen. Otherwise, the nation's not really that bad a shape, according to this satellite picture. Alrighty. Let's move on to the forecast. That's next. I'm going to turn it around and read it to you like I did last night. It seems to work out better with my voice. I don't like reading it. My voice gets way down low. Well, you can't hear what I'm saying, hardly. So I'm going to do it that way tonight. Mostly clear skies for the remainder of the night, like I mentioned, to at least midnight, and then it become mostly cloudy after that. Or maybe very cloudy be a better word. Apologize for messing with my nose in the video here. It's going to be mostly cloudy tomorrow, on and off throughout the day and evening. No rain's expected tomorrow, though. Low near 35 degrees tomorrow morning. High tomorrow about 52, very close to today, like today's 53 for a high. We should have southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour tomorrow. The sun rises tomorrow morning at 6:55 a.m., sets tomorrow afternoon at 4:42 p.m. The moon sets tonight at 8:41 p.m. and rises tomorrow morning at 10:53 a.m. And by Thursday, we're going to be cloudy skies at 70% chance of rain or showers by late afternoon, almost sunset. That's why I said the rain may hold off to almost Thursday night. Then there's a 90% chance of rain by Thursday night, with low near 45 and a high of 58. Ooh, almost 60 on Thursday. 58 for a high, with south winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. On Friday, the rain continues. Mostly cloudy skies, an 80% chance of rain and thunderstorms. The thunderstorms will be ending by Friday night, with still a 60% chance of just rain, though. Low near 45, high of 51, with south winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And on Saturday, one more day of cloudy skies. Mostly cloudy with a 60% chance of rain till Saturday night, then just mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of a little bit more rain, ending probably by midnight Saturday night. Low near 40, high of 49, with west winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Finally, clear skies by Sunday. Low near 35, high of 54, with west winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And it looks like a little way out in ahead. It looks like it's going to be generally fair skies most of next week. Maybe there's a chance of rain, I believe it was, for next weekend, and then possibly clearing by Christmas Day. Or at least that's the way it appears right now, 15 days out. But it does look like at least a sunny day is possible on Christmas Day. No snow is expected, at least not at this time, on Christmas Day. Sorry about that. Of course, that may change between now and then, but I thought I'll give you little hints of an extended forecast. As you well know, they can change, but as of right now, it looks nice. Well, alrighty, I do believe that's it for tonight. I thank you for all your subscribing and listening and watching, and I hope to talk to you once again tomorrow evening. And until then, good night, and may God bless you.